with another video. In our previous video, we just worked on how you can get Azure credits for students using different methods. In today's video, I'll show you how you can work on Azure products without any student ID. It's for anyone. So basically, I'll provide you this link in the description below. Then you just come to this website. After coming over here, it says you need to sign in to activate sandbox. Just click this button. It will redirect you to just sign in over here. You just need to sign in with any of your email ID you do have. Well, let me use my personal email ID. So basically, this sandbox will get activated to this. Yeah, so basically the sandbox is getting verified, and here you'll get some captcha. Let's come over here. 222 over submit. I'm always a human. Take permission to give permissions. Just click this. Just accept the permission request, and then probably it should get done. After this, we can use our Azure. So yeah. And it's almost done. So basically, sandbox will be available for 4 hours, and in each day you can have 10 sandbox. Are they showing? And yes, it's done. So basically, after creating your sandbox, it will get activated, and then you just come over here, click the Azure portal. It will start a new tab, and voila, we have our Azure. Let's skip this. So basically, we are on Azure platform, and we can use this for different services we want to. So yeah, thank you for being my audience, and do comment down if you have any doubts. Let me know what suggestions you have. I'll create more such videos. Thank you.